Hey Joey, we get this question a lot. What advice would you have for new SMP artists?
What advice would I give to a new SMP artist? Obviously, I've said this hundreds of times. Practice, practice, practice. Do free procedures to build up your portfolio. But other than practicing, what you want to do as a new SMP artist is provide the best customer experience. And what do I mean by that? People are spending a lot of money. They chose you as their SMP artist. So they expect a certain level of quality. So give them that quality. You want to have a nice, clean facility, offer water, have TVs, have an Alexa play music. Don't treat these people like a number. Don't just, here, give me the money, and just do the minimum amount of sessions. There are people who are only gonna need 1, 2 sessions, but most people are going to need 3 sessions to achieve the desired result. People are paying for your time and they want a long-term result. They want their confidence back. Take your time, have a clean facility, and try to think, how would you want to be treated when you get scalp micropigmentation? Go out there and get some. Woo!